So today in Cook the Book, what I'm going to be making for you is mirchi stuffed with paneer bhurji. Now I love these mirchis, okay, because firstly they are not very spicy. I'm not somebody who eats crazily spicy food, but sometimes I go nuts having spice. But this is a very simple recipe, and the paneer bhurji with the chilies, and of course I've also made some tomato ki chutney to put over it. So you must try this dish. It's really simple, really easy. So let's start. In a pan we're going to add some plain vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. Here goes 3 onions finely chopped. Give it a good stir, adding a little bit of salt. So now that the onions have broken down, I'm going to be adding tomatoes. So now I'm going to be adding all our masalas. We're going to start with lal mirchi powder, half a teaspoon, and half more, mix it 1. Garam masala, half a teaspoon. Fresh coriander powder, 1 heaped, half a teaspoon. Home ground Jeera powder, half a teaspoon. Last but not the least, a little bit of Haldi. So I would give this a good 10 to 15 minutes so that the masalas really get cooked. You do not like the taste of raw masala in your mouth. 3 garlic, I'm just going to put it in, and of course put it here in the center. Add a little water to it. So while our masala is still getting beautifully bagared, that's what my grandmother used to say, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut into this chili. Basically just kind of loosen all the seeds, take it all out, and now we're going to stuff this with bhurji. So this is our paneer, half kg paneer. I'm going to taste it again. So it tastes very nice, but it's not very masala and too much of mirchi. Now if you want to add extra, just add 1 teaspoon instead of the half teaspoon that I did. What I have here is bird eye chili oil that I am going to be putting into this. This is from Pondicherry basically. This is the brand. This is a simple, humble paneer bhurji. Pan, I'm going to add some oil. So into this hot oil here, we're going to add a little Jeera, mustard seeds. Into this, some fresh Kadipatta. We're going to be adding our mirchi, and we've already made our tomato ki chutney. We're going to serve this on the side. So here it is, our mirchi with paneer bhurji and a little bit of tomato ki chutney and little smatterings of Jeera, rai and Kadipatta that I love so much. So good. Okay, I know they're really hot, I'm going to try. Oh, this is so good. We have to try it.